guys, it's a squirrel, the jackalope squirrel. There, I got something cool. Don't go, I had to bring out Care Ace. Because this is something that they earned. This award is all thanks to them. I came in a little late. It is the silver play button for 100,000 subscribers. And I want to thank each and every one of you. I could not have done this without you guys. A big nose boop to everyone. Beep! Now, it is also a little bit late, but that's because 2 months ago, I hit the milestone. And a week later, I was told by a Google employee that somebody would be reviewing my channel for eligibility of the award. And it never came through. And I was kind of worried at first. I was kind of like, maybe it's just because the virus is delaying things. But I reached out to them again, and they gave me a code, and now I got it. I finally got it. I cut the sides, but I did not open it just yet. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I might need to take my paws off. Does it literally just slide out? Oh, I guess so. Oh, it's still hidden. It's still hidden. Alright, take the foam off. Oh, it's a letter from YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you have created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. Just what I love to do for you guys. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. Yeah. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Washkiki, or something like that, CEO of YouTube. Whoa. Alright, take this off, and here it is. Oh! Ooh. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this, guy. It's the silver play button. Whoa. It's to a squirrel. The jackalope squirrel. No, I didn't do this. This is all Ace. This is Ace's award. And hopefully the next award to come along will be me. But honestly, I couldn't have gotten this without you guys. You guys gave me this. You guys gave me this. And it's so amazing. Oh, I could see myself. I could see myself on it. Whew. I can't wait to hang it up somewhere. Somewhere. As a reminder. The big nose boop. All of you. All of you. All of you are within this. And so, my nose boop will go on to the reward to all of you. Beep! Big, big nose boop to all of you. Bye! Beep!